Dumelang ko gae. Letso la ka ke Tebogong Fete. O shebeletse yet another episode of Lala Ngoxolo mo Moja Love channel 157. Ka tseno ke mo Shawele mo Soweto. Ke tlo kopana le family ya Webster. Bana go tseba hore enare leso la hae le khutse ke eng o ne a kula o kapa ho etsaetseng ka ena. Ere ke kopana le ba lelapa go utlo hore bona ba reng. Mela. Le kae? Ke Tebogo from Lala Ngoxolo mo Moja Love channel 157 ke itumela go le tseba kaofela ne go pa le introduce from kwa buti gore kwena mang le gore o connecta gang le Webster
ya buang ke Quentin Maduleke the late Webster Shibambu ki cousin yaka.
Okay.
My mom ki first born, then his mom ki second born.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, and then
Shumelang babu ibiso la ka ke Angela Chabane.
okay.
Ke nyetse Amalema.
Okay.
Webster Chabane ki Shibambu ki tamra wa hae.
Okay. So he's your brother?
Yes.
Okay. Abuti?
Dumelang babui. Lebitso ke Simon Shibambu. The late is actually my brother. Ke third born, ke na first born.
You actually look alike, so I'm seeing him already. Okay, yeah, tell that bit. Sorry.
Ya dumelang babui. Okay, Ernest Maluleke. Webster Chabane ke mchana waka.
Ke mtshana wa hao.
Ya ke ngwana ausi waka.
Ngwana ausi hao. Okay. Already mo hae ba mpontsha a number of 8. So le 8 the feletse. Because it's a huge number. The li 8 or bana ba lena le di kids tsa hao bo le bo to Webster le 8 le feletse.
Reference 5.
Le 5.
Yeah,
but I see
ke na first born.
Ke na first born. I see 8. Okay.
And then Olatela.
Okay.
Then I've got 2 younger brothers. The other one is late.
Okay.
Yes.
So maybe keep one other kids that in between Lena or that came maybe by mama and papa. Okay. Mama and papa. Okay.
My mom, she's still alive, but
Okay.
my dad is late.
Your dad is late.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Mama, thank you.
Mama, thank you.
Okay. I will engage with her. I get to well in her. All right. It's more of gore ke toba ke bua eng, but it's also more of to say I get little more bad I get, and then little etsa ka mkhole na le batlong ho etsa ka teng I get. But I think what from Tebogo gore what really happened to the brother, one without going into detail haholo, because we'll still come here tomorrow and kigenel haholo I get. But I think nka clarify ang hore no gore ke tlo by the way ke bona ka teng a re reckless living ne so king reckless living motho o connecta le nna o re Tebogo nna I was an alcoholic ne ke inwela I get ne ke phela fela, so ke reckless living. Now when I take this substance which is in a container, you know, then it affected what? My lungs and my kidneys. So really kidney failure.
Yes.
So the kidneys collapsed.
Yes.
I get the kidneys collapse. So we are dealing with a case here, reckless living. Moto o nati pelela fela. And so as the way liga come kwa batlang hore funeral ya hae ebe ka teng, like hore ke batla le rona ka funeral ka ho tla le batho ba ne ke phela le bona. There's a set of people bump on some board because there is a scheme of 4 people. You know, ne ba le for ba feletse batho ba hae or ke different tsa gae. So o batla ine bona ba ba teng mo monwabong o and everything. So ore or he felt neglected ka khutso ya hae. So the way ke bona ka teng, that's why ke re o ka reng ke le ke ratile mama nkile a le molena a ikutlwele, but maybe o tla nkutla ka sane ke bolela hore the head ya Webster to him who emulated to an alcoholic, it has to start with the way a gotseng ka teng. It's not that ke life ena e leng hore o tsohile a re I'm choosing this life for nna Tebogo ke the way ena a gotseng ka teng, where he felt neglected. O tlhaisa hore he was close to ntate wa hae, and through the passing and that why he became very hurt. He felt hore ka mo jarateng ha gona motho o a mo utlwellang, you know. So in other ways, I can also it's a suicide. But a suicide is a motor and poison. But we've got suicides where people kill themselves slowly, having something to kill themselves slowly. To say, I'm going to take this thing, or get something, or it will lie. So through the death here about Webster, the one thing, he was taking this substance to numb the pain of the father, because or he was close with the father. So that's really more today. First of all, this substance that is being sold here in the township is not even legal. It's illegal. It's a blue substance with a methylated spirit, or a spirit taste.
Correct.
The way you want to angate with no ingredients or formula or area. Then what it does, he's been taking it for a long time. Or as a landlady into Nkudisa, Nkudisa holo, Katata, Kabaspetle, Kabuto or Kitlo Helen. But yet, he's also coming through to me through a cough, because this thing was making him cough. He had a horrible cough. Like cough. But through this cough, you will think it's because of smoke or him smoking. But it was through off this stuff. So then, but now the cause of death is that it in the kidney. And then what did it also eat? It also eats something called the pancreas. So he was killed by kidney and something called pancreatitis.
Yeah, that's what we
Exactly. He was killed by pancreatitis. That's what the spirits are telling me. Even in words, because of that pancreatitis.
Correct, that's the one.
Exactly, because that is the cause of death. Now I wonder, because Barikamo, this is the third body to come out. So what are they talking about? Who are the other two people besides Annalyn Tatwa? Who's the other person?
The younger brother.
Yeah. So third bodies. So it's the third body to come out of this Kamuchara thing. Okay. So tomorrow again, I shall pass the other messages. As a family, it's making sense, I guess. And then to heal from this. But what they accept the whole hate. Unfortunately, I don't have good news. I'm going to say what I'm seeing. So unfortunately, there's going to be another death here of a woman. And that happens to be your mother. So I'm going to be precise. Because my mother never as we speak now. Yeah. I get so when I'm talking about Zamanga, Moto Azamangali Teka, Azama Itorelidis. Okay. Yeah. So you're alone, never happy is can in a couple of, it can be a month or two or a couple of weeks, but it's coming again. Ne? I'm sorry about that, but Zenga Darza, I would get Ladiwa, Kausa and Hesteli Mamuhela. Jumela, lagay. Ito, mamuteng ka dyan. Kaya mo nukhatit. Alright, back sa libonan, dutula ka kite wakong fete from Lala Ngoxolo, Moja Love, channel 157. Rabonor mufuara no sa tlile iling Abud Webster. Lagay ma? Itabela ho tseba, a so mogolo lagay. Iteng kite wakone. I got a mama and list them about on a little busy. Where's the sun? Why are some trouble? I also wanted to have one one. Name, come sharp. Okay, so sharp.
Yeah, I'd like it. I'm going to go.
But I'm going to have to say, okay. But what Kalakawena because Ubatlu Buena Hore, Ubatlor Uhumutehe, country or Clay Halanker, Oscar Kaikemekuto. Now, when I was with your angel Tahauli, Kimanke and King, Ubizama Rahad, Kishalusi to Horanta Twahao, I would Webster. Ako na buloy, kithalusi sa mamane. I'm sure we'll say Malaitane, so I will let the sexy will say maman. Hore, here we are sitting kataba ya motho leng hore na inwela and the family must just accept ntwe na inwela aratafane a itetela bojola ba hae. So the cause of death as badimba re bontse mabane hore it's something called pancreatitis. So pancreatitis is just a small gland inside the stomach eleng hore e thusa ka ho digesta dijo and everything. So you tlile bohloko ya cause ntwe hore e sa tlho e bereka kere. So that's what e bleleng mofu wa rona eleng Abu Webster. So o batla re lwena mama o tseba kere o re ko bolele mama o kopa hore wa gise lelapa la hao ore o fila hore nako a le teng o fila hore o no o sa mo fe sebaka o kapo sa mo understand because le mabane o tshilo hore ena o ne a le close gagolo le man le ntate wa hae kere kopa re kere se khanyang e re tlo bya mo le dimahale ka o re wa ntse mo le fifeng kopa kere se wa e le tla e bya mo ga tsore la bya mo dima mo but e nne ntho bona halang for safety re bya mo hatsi ba de be kere se bona halang wa mo fu re na ntse mo antse mo le fifing ore khotho kopanya ha funeral ya hae o kapa lor a fitlhale mo ene ile go khomantsha go itseng because wa bona re ka mo hae there's a lot of the issues tsa chelete or e mara wa understand na iphilela fela asa mind but one ali khopoleng tate wa hae gagolo. So through go tlhokafeleng ha ntate wa hae led to this hore now kutle bohloko ichumene and then just apologize ko ena to say ra wa mohela ko gae just go emele ena le mmotsoro wa mohela mbona shift hanyane mmotsoro wa mohela ka gae gore o fitlhile bone ya hae etso a shi a ditsela tsa di Kenya. It's very important that he mofu atla ka hae re chume dipone tsa hae is go mo khaisetsa ditsela ko ayang ko teng. Now we cannot be relying on the light ka muntlung and the light e rena re tleng ka yona kere chuma hona mo kere senge white e shift that one, so shift that one, yeah e bola e o chume e right kere. So ore after ntate after hlokofala o utlwa o sene le mabane a be le hore ena bana o bona hore bophelo ba hae boetsang bo fedile kere ene le motho nang a filwe nno ya o sebetsa ka matsogo hore a itshebeletse motho ka renke a itse self employment kere ene ene le hore wa tipela ka matsogo. Yeah, so bolela le ena motsoro sorry for hore ema o motso bolela ena kere utlweletse o motsoro sorry kere sa shire tlo bya hona mo hatsemo ra wa mohela ka hae yes ka intlokweni yeah intlokweni la umkhulumiso umtshele yonke into. There's no way re ka mohela ene mofuele na o tlile late I can understand or why ke tlile late
amkela kaya ile ri khandlele ra n'wina ilo ku khanya ka n'wina sorry for kumbeka xinyamini
ra mohela ka gae
amkela kaya
yeah tlhoka pelailo have no
worries
worries
body
yeah o se khaya
nile kaya amkela nga xinyamini
re felletse ka ofela ke mama ke ausi re felletse ka ofela
yelerile hinkwenu la akaya ina hinkwenu yelerile na sesina
o tsamaye ka tsela e right
mfamba ku indlela le
le ngwana ha o teng
na sihle o kona ithamena yena la
amon kwatile is a very angry person amon re wetsang o isa le ntwai when atla akena you know hore ashu o kwatile we are dealing with a very angry. Take that candle, light it again and sniff this guy kopa sniff something's not right here kopa le lokolo he. We are now dealing with an angry spirit. He's angry, he's not happy. O feel like he's not welcome here now.
Yes,
feel like he's not welcome, he's angry. Kopa le rete motho o ka se halena mna se halena se le sebetsang se le retang he motho a tlhokofetse kopa le rete motho I feel you know one thing that's going to happen if ile hore now I feel right le tla kra box e wele ke a bolela le tla kra box e wele le tlo re lentseng box e no ikwela ona la re ke boloi because he feels hore ha amo le sega so be hona mo di mahali hali ka simo tshela sniff o le bolelena le morete le fetse
wena Shibambu.
Yeah.
Shibambu la makhutla.
Yes.
Ni kombela u tlela hi kurhula.
Yes.
i va ni moya wa kahle
Yes.
u nga ti no kwata ha swi tiva hinkwaswo ka swona a wu va rhandza papantsongo a wu nga lavi ku twa nchumu hi papantsongo so ni kombela swilo swi hinkwaswo swi va kahle xi vambula makhutla i vambula kahle makhutla i nga kwate wena xi nisa mpfula a ni loko makhutla ya rila nkama lowu mpfula yi naka se hi kombela ku va wena lowu taku na moya lowu kwetsini lowu taku na kurhula la ndzeni ka muti xin'wana na xin'wana lexi ndlekaka a xi ndleki hi moya lowunene ku nga vi na ku sola ku nga vi na ku kwata a swi tiva hinkwaswo leswi i swi rilelaka hi sweswi a swi humelela a wu titwa ku ri nga ku a wu amukelekangi kasi a wu rhandziwa a wu ku nga swi voni hikwalaho ko a wu tshama enhoveni adorobeni i xavisa wena i nga kumi nkarhi wa ku tshama na hina i hi twisisa hi kota ku tiva ha ku rhandza buti wa mina hi mina sesi wa wena tinyiko
Or mama o kopa hore o fole akere o hlokemele le ba ba leng teng or o kopa hore o be motsadi a utlwellang a khonong go bona le bana ba hae ba na le selo se se itseng or ba sa thabela ntho e itseng ya utlwahala akere ore le tshwantse le ke nako gore yanong le tshwantse le tshwarane lena ka bolena e be ntho e one ya utlwahala akere or to the son I'm sorry. And then I'm sorry the way things are, but you must not step on my footsteps. I'm a bad example. I'm not a good example. Or there are I'm not a good example. But naka hamoya ke follower all along. Ne? Vincent Kima. Yeah. So Vincent feels welcomed. Kamuntu. Like it, wa feel banong limo amo hate. Ya utlwahala ke ore phephe ke or no mokhala about hono but mafellotsong ke mo le moteng but there's nothing or le tloele batho ba ba tshwanang le ena ka mokgona le ka teng gore ba be teng mo funeraleng. I saw some other people while I was outside shifting people like him. I did not like that. O batla go be batho bana ba tshwana le ena because nna re phela le batho ba so they should be there. So even like I was saying, inviting Kikamko Abatlang, Tirelo Yahai, it's a macy way at day. You go like it, ne? Shouldn't be her own sister scared or answer scared or answering. Let's her name, live right, or Utel City to how copy or the things that the Nunsunago is like it. You look like him, by the way, you're just like him, you know? So that's fine. Whatever I like, I'm called my piston, whatever I like, I'm called Ausumukin saying him, the wedding thing. Very nice, different from the person. It's funny how nice he looks and neat than how he was when he was alive. I get it. It makes sense,
Yes.
It's a difference. He's supposed to be this way when he's alive. But now he's in this way when he's no more and arrogant. So it's a bit of a but white have like it or le pate right into your right le tshwaraneng le mama tshwarane le be strong la tseba after matsatsi a itseng go rona le ditso tsa tse di tsang tsa go hlambolola and all of that ka phologolo ya lena ele ya pudi gore mosebetsi o be right or wa tseba koko re tshwere koko ka o tla re leader a etsa ka mokgwa etsang ka teng go ba right or lokolohang mosebetsi o tla ba right wa tsama right ya utlwala ne yeah ya utlwala ke so any questions Bama batho sa mokhulu dipotso can ask one
as much as it took time for Remotole, how was he feeling when he was all alone? Because it took us days already.
It took 3 days.
Yes.
And then it had something to do with the Wednesday.
Yes. So how did he feel when like his body left his soul and after Nako Etele
we couldn't find him? It was not good. After such a long time, but because of mesebetsi I can malfatsembare ditiro tsa ho ditsang exactly so le nna sa batle go yeng hae go mafellong a Webster on at the isolator from the family. I'm not exactly sure why, but nasa batle anything. Is it the truth?
Yes.
Not the isolator from the family so. But now I want to know he needs this family. So I ke kopela tshwarele go family nya ka tebo the way ke ntseng dintho ka teng akere now I feel up. That's why all along now I say kama le tshuma di keres ba le sekamela a le motshumedi wa go ka re yes motho ditiro tsa diamona tla mare now ke ngwana bo rena kere a re motsamaiseng ka tsela re mo khangiseng gore a ile kopana o re kwa leng ko teng o joina ke the other 2 people because ka mo go stutsile ditupo tsa tse 3 ena ke the third one 2 and le ena kere wa mohela ke ba bang kere ba mo mohele ditsela tsa di bule ha kere we are not mo lefatsheng mo to judge, we are just here to pass the messages from the universe kere the judgment day is not yet here kere rena re connect le badimo ba re le ditaba so for now everything I make a moka go be right go be in shouldn't be shy kaosane is there you le lo reka drink ha kaosane la itse o na reka go teng le reke le bie mola hona mo pela le ka sela hai mo mabiteng le kona le motsore e nwa o tsamaye ka mkholo tseno di rata ka teng o khona go ke mo ke ka mkho a tlo lutlwang ka teng hele bola le ene is not holy shambalaza is not to say re phela di nnete tsa bophelo ba hae because ke ka mkhona batla ka teng so whenever even when you go to his grave when you must carry that drink because ke ka mkhona tlo butlwang ka teng because ko mabiteng ke body e tlo tsa ke diboko the spirit e phela entse e rutlweletse kana go tsotsotlhe so don't be shy to feel hore why ke ya ka ntho esoko ditleng la papaka that's how he would shame smoke or kwai or whatever you go with those things those are the things in Nigeria he would sit there. I'm now seeing him in the gate. He would wake up and just stand at the gate on the right hand side and just stand for hours and hours and hours and just minding and calling his people and saying whatever that comes out of his mouth. He was that person and never mind person. So let's celebrate. Yes, it's Kilifu, but let's also celebrate the death of Abu Webster. Okay? Lokolohan lena o tla le philela a ba ka mokgwebetlang ha le batlo bolena o tla lutlo la reng go ba tsetso tlhakere ya utlwa la kere ke thabetso ba le lena ne ke a le bogane le pate right re tla botse re di boage okay ne thank you ne all right okay